Welcome to Caskinette RV, and take a look at another one of our great RVs from our inventory. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with triple slides, solar power prep, large counter area, living room fireplace. Master bathroom has a sink, toilet, and shower with a door. Stainless steel kitchen appliances, ceiling fan, kitchen pantry, king-size bed, entertainment center, trifold sofa, bedroom TV mounting bracket, high-rise faucet, theater seat for two with cup holders, kitchen island with double sink, mirrored wardrobe doors, freestanding table with chairs, convection microwave, bedroom chest with drawers, 3-burner range, overhead shelf in bedroom, bathroom overhead storage, and sleeps up to 4 people. Caskinette RV is your go-to Northern New York recreational dealer. We strive to make sure your experience is a great one through our commitment to customer service. Our seasoned staff has over 35 years combined experience providing top-notch, personalized sales and service. At Caskinette RV, we value the opportunity to create long-term relationships with our customers, and we do that by making sure we exceed your expectations. We know the kind of freedom and adventure you're looking for, so come see us today. Caskinette RV is located in Carthage at 36381 New York Route 26.